Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Daily Code Buffer. Today we have a huge announcement for you guys. We are creating a new course that is Spring Boot with Microservices. Yuppie! Now anyone who wants to learn the Spring Boot and the microservices architecture can take up this course. And what is the prerequisite? You just need to have the basic knowledge on Java. That's it. Rest everything we will be covering in this course. We are going to cover a lot of topics. We are going to cover it from basic, what is Spring Boot and how we can create the applications using the Spring Boot, how we can create the REST APIs using the Spring Boot. We are also going to cover how we can connect our REST APIs with our database using the Spring Data GPA. We are going to see how we can change the configuration for the different databases as well. And then we are going to move towards the Spring Cloud. We are going to see how the Spring Cloud helps us in creating the microservices. We are going to develop multiple microservices and we are going to attach all those microservices together, how we can communicate between those microservices. We are also going to create the API server and we are also going to create the service discoveries. Now don't worry about all these jargons. We are going to see each and everything in detail in this course. But the high level is we are going to cover a Spring Cloud in detail. We are going to see all those components and how the entire microservices architecture works. We are also going to implement Spring Security in our project so we can use Auth 2.0 mechanism in our security. We will see how we can secure our microservices and we will also see how we can secure our API gateway for the external traffics. After that, we are also going to understand how to do the centralized configuration, how to implement the distributed logging and tracing. And on top of that, we are also going to see how to Dockerize our application. So to understand the Dockerization, first we are going to understand what is Docker and complete architecture of it and all the different commands and functionalities of Docker. Then we are going to convert our application to make sure that our application can be possible to Dockerize it, can be possible to containerize it. And then we are going to learn the Kubernetes. We will see complete Kubernetes architecture and all the different components of it. Then we are going to deploy our entire application that we have created into a Kubernetes cluster. Not only that, after that we are going to create a complete CI/CD pipeline, that is continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline for our microservices project. So we are going to automate the entire project, means all the different microservices that we have created. We are going to deploy each and everything to a cloud platform using any of the CI/CD tool and deploy everything to the Kubernetes cluster in the cloud. So you can see that from developing the microservices to deploying the microservices, we are going to cover each and everything. And in the middle, we are going to cover all the different topics as well. Now, if you are interested in this course, then head over to dailycodebuffer.in to check out this course and enroll in this course. This course is going to start on 15th of September and it will be a 1-month course. So that means for 1 month, I will be sharing all those different pre-recorded sessions to you. That means on-demand videos, so you can go through all those videos at your own pace. But you should be able to complete all those videos and all those exercises within 1 month. So that means there is no more like you just purchase a course and you just kept the course. You will be having the accountability to complete that course as well. I will be there for you to guide through your process. If you have any doubts regarding any of the things that you face during that course, I'll be there to guide you. You can add all your queries and questions in the discussion box and we can have the discussion over there. Now, on the occasion of India's 75 years of independence, I am giving you a huge discount of 75% on this course. So you can use this coupon IND75 to get a 75% on this course. And this discount code is in limited numbers and with limited validity. So grab it fast. This coupon code is valid for 1 week for first come first serve basis. So grab this coupon for your discount. Now, if you have any queries related to any of the things related to the course or anything, all those details are available on the website. And if you want more details, you can always ping me to get more information. But I would highly suggest you to take this opportunity and grab this coupon and enroll in this course. With that being said, happy Independence Day to each and every one of you. I will see you in the course and in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.